this is mathematics. Okay? So, translate fun with numbers. There should be 3 buttons again. Play. So, this should not be play movie. This should be play game. No? Yeah. And how to play the game. So, instructions to. And then about the game and yung brief description about the game. Now, so, ito yung 3 main buttons natin as discussed kanina. Diba? Sabi ko dito, meron tayong 3 buttons para sa main menu. Ito yun. Right? So, the play game, ano na yung how to play, is actually linked to a sub-menu. So, you see here, there are 2 sub-menus. One is about the game. So, lalagay nyo lang about the game, and then discuss nyo, may text kayo dito, describe nyo what the game is all about, what the purpose of the game is, who authored the game, and which game version is it now. And then how to is discuss few steps on how the user can go on with the game. How to play. Yun. Okay, and then sabi natin, meron ng return menu, meron din yung about the game, meron main menu. One slide na, okay na sa akin yun. So, again, so if you look at the main menu, yung how to play nakalink again sa how to play sub-menu. So, let's establish now the link to these buttons. Okay, so, how to play, let's establish now the link. Lilink natin sa sub-menu. Nakalagay dito about how to. Yan, how to. And then sa about the game, ililink natin kay about the game. Okay? And then if you go back sa about the game, meron dito button na main menu. So, last person to go back. Okay? Gusto na yung sa mga information sa game na lalagay niya. So, babalik tayo sa main menu pag sa tapos na. Same with how to. Ayan, no? So, let's have that link here to the main menu. About the game. And then, let's have that link to our main menu. Okay? So, ganun lang po din. Now, ang point dito, since you're gonna create a transition in between, so, let's go back. No? This is our main menu. From here, when the moment the user clicks on how to play or any of these buttons, magkakaroon siya ng video transition. Going from this menu, which is your main menu, to this. Ito, for this. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Make sure that yung framing, yung background natin for the main menu should not look exactly the same as the menu where we transition, where should not be the same as the background ng next menu. Kasi, ang nangyari dyan, ang magiging transition natin will be useless. Diba? We're gonna transition from one menu or one frame to another. So make sure it should have different background. Kasi pag nag-transition ka and they have the same background, ano mangyayari? Parang useless yung transition natin. So we're going from here to here. So basically, as you can see, magkaiba yan. No? This is our main menu, and the moment you click on how to play, ito ngayon yung mag-appear. Okay? From main menu, when you click on the about the game, ito ngayon yung mangyayari. Dito ka pupunta. So let's have a preview of that. Let us set our first play. Okay? Let us have our main menu, our first play. To set us first play. As you can see, there is that play icon. And then, let's click on preview. Okay, let me correct my display aspect ratio by going to all-4, preferences, preview, and then I'm gonna change the TV mode from 16:9 to 4:3. Okay, 4:3 na lang yung gawin natin, no? Plus, walang gamit ng 16:9. So, click OK. And then, see this is 4:3. So, when you click on how to play, so, pupunta tayo dyan, instructions yan, then, pagkabasa ni user, babalik, and then, about the game, and then, babalik. Okay? So, later on, we will create a transition in between. Okay? Establish na natin yung link. Alright, next. When we go back to our main menu, so, what about the play game? So, when you click on play game, the game starts. Right? So, the game starts now. So, ililink natin ito kay question number 1. As you can see, yung ginawa ko rin, this is our main menu, the background should be different. Okay? This is our Q1. Although hindi masyadong pareho ng tape, i-establish ko lang na dapat magkaiba talaga si frame 1 sa kasi frame 2 para mag-transition ka, it will be exciting, di ba? Interesting yung magiging transition. Unlike, if you transition, let's say, if you transition from Q1 to Q2, you have the same background. This is Q1, right? And this is Q2. You have the same background, so that will be useless, no? So, again, we have to change it somehow, no? So, this is main. Click on the play game, and then let's link this to our Q1, okay? This is our Q1. So, when you click on play game, so this is our question number 1. Which of the following is an even number? So that's a Q1. Let me click on Q1. So, an even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Diba? Tama ba ako? So, 0 is also an even number. So, maybe we need to change this. So, we have a 9. You know? Okay. So, 9 is an odd number. Right? So, inilip natin siya kay wrong. Tingnan muna natin yung wrong natin. Okay? Nakalagay dito, dalawa yan. Right, you're correct. And when you're correct, you can try to explain. No? Okay? If the answer is correct, then you try to explain. An odd number is what is an odd number? What is an even number? Right? So, you need to explain here. No? Explain yung answer natin dito. Okay? So you're gonna provide here some explanation, right? Okay? So, if you're wrong, sorry, wrong answer, go back. Please go back. Okay? You're right, explain, and then go to the next question. So, series of questions. Hanggang 10 questions. At the end of 10 questions, may have points. Right? So, let's go back to our question number 1. 9 is the wrong answer, so ililit natin siya kay wrong. 15 also is the wrong answer. Ililit natin siya kay wrong. 24 is the correct answer. So, lalagyan natin siya kay right. And when you're right, you're correct, then short explanation here. And then, next, ililit naman natin ito sa right question. So, ganun-ganun lang. Magkakasunod. After 10 questions, meron akong prize. Okay? So, let's do that. Play game. So, which is an even number? O wrong, sorry, back. O hindi natin na-provide yung back. So, yung back, pabalik siya kay question 1. Okay? Ganun lang. Review, play game. 9 is the wrong answer, then back. 15, 24, 15 is also the wrong answer, then back. 24 is the right answer. So, you're correct, then provide explanation, then next. Which is an odd number, so you're going to question. Okay ba? So that's how you do it. Ang hirap lang dito is when you animate now, create now the transition. Okay, so this is how you create the transition. From question 1, ano ba yung mga gagawa niyo ng transition? From the main, pag yun dito sa how to, may transition ka, going to how to. Right? Okay ba? And then when you go back, may transition ka, going to main menu. You create a simple template. Parang, pwede na outro, yun yung gagawin mo, palitan mo na lang ng asset. Di ba? Parang yun yung template mo, para kaya kita nila, babaguhin mo na lang yung background or yung asset dun sa timeline. Hindi ka nahirapan. Right? Ano ba? Pag click mo si about the game, then may transition siya, going to about the game. Then when I click on main menu, return, then may transition ka going to main menu. Okay, ganun lang. Ganun din dito. So play game, when I click play game, so magta-transition ka going to question 1, may transition ka no. Okay, when you click on wrong answer, which is 9, A, and C, pwede ka na mag-create dito. Yung transition mo sa A, yun na rin yung transition mo sa C, kasi tayo rin naman wrong. Tama ba? Yung right, pwede ibahin mo yung transition. Kasi going to, iba na naman yung frame na kasunod dito eh. Ano yung kasunod ng frame dito? Yung right na. Kasi kanina, titignan mo, si A, ang transition niya papunta dito sa wrong. Si B, ganun din, papunta kay wrong. So, ibig sabihin lang ng class, you can use the same transition for A and C. per the two wrong answers. Pero per B, should be different. Kasi ito yung frame niya eh. And then when you click next, maybe a simple white, diba? Yan na. Then, ano na, yung next menu na. How do you create that transition? Okay, now, I'll just explain one. Maybe we go from Q1 to, ano gusto nyo? Q1 to right answer. Pwede? Q1 to right answer. Remember Q1. Pero again, this applies to all of the buttons Let's explain one button. How you create that, lahat yung i-apply nyo. No? Okay, so we are transitioning from question 1. This is question number 1. Tingnan natin. So, question 1, when I click on 24, ito ngayon yung pupuntahan niya, tama? And then, let's create that transition. First, we need to bring in Q1. We select Q1 from the project panel, from the timeline, like from the menu. Kasi ito yun eh, file, menu, edit, object menu, then create After Effects composition, right? So select Q1, menu from the project panel, and then go to menu, and then create After Effects composition. So basically, gagawin natin dito, and then we will create, let's say this folder, sabihin natin, transition. Okay. Transition Q1. Ganyan na lang, no? Right, so save this to our desktop. Let's see. Okay, so this is now our composition. As you can see. Okay. May option naman kayo na galawin lahat ng power layer. So as you can see, we have layer. Pwede naman, no? We have this layer. C, A, B, C. Say, you can press P. You can actually move that. Diba? So pwede naman. Pwede ka magkaroon ng individual. Pwede ka magkaroon ng animation for each of the layers. Pero gagawin ko na lang muna, for the sake of the demonstration, is to create a transition for this as one layer. So, i-create natin siya as one layer. Okay? So, first thing that we need to do is to select all of the layers and then, kalimutan ko yung shortcut ng recompose. Recompose. So, we'll make this as one layer. Recomp 1. Diba? Para pag ginalaw ko yan, let's say P. O, diba? Isang ano na lang siya. Isang layer na lang. Or let's say, press S for the scale. See? Isang page ko lang siyang gagalawin. Diba? Baka ba? Now, so I have this first layer. Mag-a-animate tayo from one layer to another. The first layer is actually your first frame, diba? Baka ba? Sabi natin, from Q1 to right answer. Okay. Next, kailangan natin i-adjust yung duration ito. Command K to bring in the composition settings. By default kasi, ano yan, 30 seconds, 2 seconds na. Change it to 2 seconds, ha? 2 seconds na maximum. Kung mabagal pa para sa tingin nyo, pwede nyo makikreate na 1 minute and 15 frames. Again, the transition duration should be 1 second to 2 seconds. If you take 2 seconds is medyo mabagal, matagal, so pwede nyo bawasan. You can make it 1 second and half, 1 second and 15 frames. Kasi kalahati ng isang segundo ay 15. 30 frames tayo, diba? So kalahati ng 15 frames. So 1 second and 15 frames. So this is our first frame, no? Now, I go now to the second frame, that yung right answer, and then I'll bring it naman sa Photoshop. Kasi naka-open na yung ano ko yung Open muna natin si Forge. Yan. So this is our second frame. Again, ulitin ko lang, we are transitioning from Q1, which is this one, when you click on 24, and then to the right answer, which is this one. Okay? So, ang aim natin is asa yung second, ito, nasa Photoshop tayo. Ang gagawin ko lang, para maging one frame lang siya, i-save ko lang to as ano? JPEG. Diba? So, ito ngayon yung ano to? Right.jpg. Then, save natin. Saan natin isi-save? Okay. So, nasa na yun, class? Right.jpg. Ayun. So, yun. Yun natin. So, yan. Diba? And then, ilalagay ko siya dito sa project panel. Tapos ilalagay ko siya sa second layer. Okay? So, again, this is our layer 1. And, para makita nyo yung layer 2. Ito yung layer 2. This is layer 1. Layer 1, may stacking order sila. Layer 1 is on top. So, let us have here a simple animation by going to presets. Pero you can create your own transition presets. Okay? So, this is 1 second and 15 frames. The whole duration at the end. Now, remove ka lang muna ng siguro mga 3 frames, 2 or 3 frames, saka mo ilalagay yung effect. Right? Let's have explore nyo na lang itong class ha. Facial skill. Okay? Yan. Ito na yung ating effect. Muna natin. We can play around with the settings. Ito yun. Using our completion. So make sure hindi ka mag-add ng keyframe dun sa very first frame ha. So ikaw move ka ng 1 or 2 frames. Yan, 2 frames. Saka mo yan. Tapos, that would be your first frame. Click on the stopwatch. And then you go to the last part. Pero huwag sa tulong-tulo. Mag-back ka muna ng mga 2 frames or 3 frames. Tapos saka mo i-100% to. Okay? Gagawin natin, baka ng mga few frames, tapos make it 100%. Okay? So when we preview now, okay, so yun yung ating magiging effect. No? Okay, let's add the sound effect from the folder, Play 3 assets, sound effects, the impacts, pwede natin gawin dito. Swoosh. Punta tayo sa swoosh. Swooshes. Maybe we can use natin. Pwede rin kayo gumamit dito ng mga easing in saka in is out. Okay, so let's bring in our sound effect. So yun, relay swoosh. Let's bring in as our third layer. And then preview natin. render, meron lang konting settings. So, you can use straight time. If you want to render using CS6, sa baba nito, meron kayong kailangan i-check. Di ba? Naka-check yung video output by default mo. Sa baba nito, may nakalagay audio output. Because ang problema ng students, when they render, sir, walang sound effect. Kasi sa CS6, kailangan mo pang i-check yung audio output nito. Yan. Kailangan mo pang i-check yun bago siya mag-render ng audio. Pero dito sa CC, automatic naka-out na siya. Okay? So, wala na yung gagawin. Again, the CS6, separately, you need to check audio output so that you will have a audio rendered to your video. Enter. Right? So, saan natin siya isa-save? Saan natin siya isa-save? Sa document, transition video. Okay? So, that's on that. Then save. Okay na? Yeah. So, hanapin natin yun from our desktop. Transition video. Ito. Okay? Video natin. So, ang rule namin dito, yung first frame ng video ay yung first video. Ang last frame ng video is actually our second menu. Yung first frame ng video, yung kung saan magagaling, anong menu yung pagkagalingan. Yung susunod na menu, yun yung last frame na. Tingnan natin yun. See? You get that? Alright, so yun. Okay? So, let's close that. Okay. So, balik tayo sa on-board. Kunin natin yung video natin. So, transition video. Reviewin natin. Okay, then gagawin natin ngayon is from Q1, tapos si 24, ililink natin, nakalink na pala sa 24. Gagawin natin, click on the button letter B, then button properties, makikita nyo yung button properties transition. Okay, ililink lang natin yan sa walang timeline na, yung time, hindi ilalagay sa timeline transition. Transition has no timeline. Kaya nakalagay natin ito asset, name to asset. Okay? So, preview natin, play games, line, wrong answer, back, eto. Diba? Ayun, kailangan yung pa rin susunod na mga numbers. Okay? Preview natin one more, play game, 24. Okay? Now, kailangan may background music yan. So, piniprovide ko na sa inyo yung mga background music, diba? Nasa inyo na. Lahat ng mga menus may background. Lalagay mo. Normally, mga ano lang yan. 15 seconds or 20 seconds long. Okay?